Authorities in China's Guangdong province have undertaken a massive evacuation of over 1 million residents as Typhoon Ragasa, the world's most powerful storm this year, continues its destructive trajectory. The super typhoon has already inflicted significant damage across the Philippines and Taiwan, where it was responsible for at least 15 fatalities. Ragasa made its initial landfall in the Philippines on Monday before re-emerging over the sea. By early Wednesday, it unleashed its fury on Hong Kong, causing widespread flooding in coastal regions and battering the city with torrential rain and gale-force winds that uprooted trees. The China Meteorological Administration forecasts a second landfall in western Guangdong province on Wednesday evening. In preparation for the impending impact, Chinese state media reports indicate the mobilization of over 38,000 firefighters and 400 emergency teams across Guangdong. If you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, News Today.